Hey there, salad lovers! Today we're diving into the world of salad dressings. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Salad dressings? That's not exactly the most exciting thing in the world, Ree. But trust me on this one. We're gonna uncover some hidden treasures, some real salad-saving heroes. Get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even drool a little. Let's get started. First up, we gotta give credit where credit's due. Ranch dressing has earned its place in the Culinary Hall of Fame. Ranch dressing, my friends, is the undisputed king of the salad dressing world, at least here in the good old US of A. It's the go-to choice for millions of Americans, and you know what? I get it. That creamy, tangy, herby goodness just makes everything taste better, doesn't it? It's like a magical potion that transforms any dish into a gourmet experience. Buttermilk, garlic, onion, a little dill, a little parsley. It's like a symphony of flavors in your mouth. Each ingredient plays its part perfectly, creating a harmonious blend that's simply irresistible. And don't even get me started on how good it is as a dip. It's not just for salads, folks. Wings, veggies, fries, you name it, ranch makes it sing. It's the ultimate companion for your favorite snacks, elevating them to new heights of deliciousness. Now, here's a little something I bet you didn't know. Ranch dressing wasn't dreamed up by some fancy chef in a Parisian restaurant. Nope, it has humble beginnings. Nope, it was invented by a plumber-turned-cowboy named Steve Henson back in the 1950s. He created it while working on a remote Alaskan ranch. Can you imagine that? A plumber. It's a classic tale of innovation coming from the most unexpected places. It just goes to show you, the best things in life often come from the most unexpected places. Sometimes the simplest ideas turn out to be the most revolutionary. And speaking of unexpected, did you know that some folks even put ranch dressing on their pizza? It's a trend that's been gaining popularity. Now, I'm not saying I've tried it myself, but hey, to each their own, right? Whether you love it or hate it, you can't deny that ranch dressing has made its mark on our culinary landscape. Now, if you're looking for something a little lighter and brighter than ranch, then Italian dressing is your go-to gal. This vinaigrette-based beauty is all about that zesty, herby goodness. Olive oil, vinegar, garlic, oregano, basil. It's like a little taste of Italy in every bite. And here's the kicker, Italian dressing wasn't actually invented in Italy, I know, right? Mind blown. Turns out it was created right here in the US of A by Italian immigrants who were missing the flavors of home. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I love a good origin story, especially when it involves food. It just goes to show you, food is more than just sustenance. It's about connection, it's about heritage, it's about bringing people together. And that's what I love so much about Italian dressing. It's a reminder that even though we might be miles apart, we can still share a little taste of home. Chapter 3. Next up, we're talking about Caesar dressing. And let me tell you, this ain't your mama's salad dressing. This is the real deal, folks. This stuff is rich, it's creamy. It's got that umami flavor that just makes your taste buds sing. We're talking egg yolks, the kind that give it that silky texture. Anchovies, those little fish that pack a punch of flavor. And Parmesan cheese, the king of cheeses that adds a nutty, salty kick. Garlic, which gives it that aromatic zing. And Dijon mustard, adding a bit of tang and complexity. Olive oil, it's a whole lot of flavor packed into one little bowl. The olive oil brings it all together, making it smooth and luscious. And when it's paired with crisp romaine lettuce, crunchy croutons, and some grilled chicken, oh my word, it's a match made in salad heaven. The textures and flavors just complement each other so perfectly. It's like a symphony in your mouth, every bite better than the last. Now I know what you might be thinking. You're probably a bit skeptical. Anchovies? In my salad dressing? Really? But trust me on this one, my friend. The anchovies are the secret weapon. The anchovies add a depth of flavor that you just can't get anywhere else. They kind of melt into the dressing, giving it that savory, salty something that'll keep you coming back for more. They blend so seamlessly you won't even know they're there, but you'll definitely notice if they're missing. And here's another fun fact for you. Did you know that Caesar dressing has an interesting origin story? Caesar dressing wasn't invented in Rome or Florence or any of those other fancy Italian cities. Nope, it has a much more surprising birthplace. It was actually invented in Tijuana, Mexico by an Italian-American restaurateur named Cesar Cardini. Who knew, right? So next time you enjoy a Caesar salad, you can impress your friends with this little nugget of trivia. Chapter 4. Now, if you like your salad dressings with a little bit of texture, then Thousand Island dressing is your new best friend. This dressing is not just a condiment, it's an experience, a delightful journey for your taste buds. This sweet, tangy, creamy concoction is like a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. Mayonnaise, the rich and smooth base, ketchup, adding that perfect hint of sweetness and tang, relish, bringing in that delightful crunch and burst of flavor, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's the kind of dressing that doesn't take itself too seriously, you know? It's playful, it's fun, and it's here to elevate your salad game. It's just here to have a good time and make your salad taste amazing. Imagine a vibrant bowl of greens topped with this luscious dressing. It's a match made in salad heaven. And the best part? Those little chunks of pickles and relish that give Thousand Island dressing its signature texture. They add a delightful surprise to every bite, making each mouthful a new adventure. It's like having a little surprise in every bite. You never know when you'll hit that perfect chunk of pickle or relish, adding an extra burst of flavor. Now, you might be wondering where in the world this dressing got its name. It's a question that adds a bit of mystery and intrigue to this already fascinating dressing. Well, it's actually named after the Thousand Islands region in the St. Lawrence River, where it was first created. This picturesque area is as rich in history as it is in natural beauty. Some folks say it was invented by a fishing guide's wife who wanted to create something special for her husband's clients. Others say it was created by a chef at a fancy resort, aiming to impress the high-profile guests with a unique and flavorful dressing. But honestly, who really cares? The origins might be debated, but the taste is universally loved. All that matters is that it's delicious. So next time you're looking to add a little excitement to your salad, reach for the Thousand Island dressing and enjoy the symphony of chunky goodness. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we're talking about balsamic vinaigrette, the elegant lady of the salad dressing world. This dressing is all about simplicity and balance. It's tangy, it's slightly sweet, and it's oh so versatile. Just a few simple ingredients: balsamic vinegar, olive oil, mustard, a pinch of salt and pepper. That's all it takes to create magic in a bottle. And the best part? It's super easy to whip up a batch at home. Now, balsamic vinegar might sound kind of fancy, but don't let that scare you off. It's actually been made in Italy for over 1,000 years. Can you believe that? Talk about a time-tested tradition, and the flavor? Oh, honey, it's something special. It's got this deep, rich, almost caramel-like sweetness that's balanced out by a tangy acidity. It's the kind of flavor that just makes you want to close your eyes and savor every single drop. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 most popular salad dressings. From the creamy comfort of ranch to the zesty brightness of Italian, the umami richness of Caesar, the chunky fun of Thousand Island, and the elegant simplicity of balsamic vinaigrette. There's a salad dressing out there for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're at it, tell us about your favorite way to use these dressings. Are you a traditionalist, or do you like to get creative in the kitchen? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Happy salad making!